Welcome back everyone to our Interior channel. The all-new generation Kia Telluride 2026 must be coming this year, as more and more specials have been published. It will replace the current generation Telluride and receive two new engines, including a hybrid option. The new spec pictures helped us to illustrate the new SUV with more details, and we'd like to preview a possible interior design based on the recent Kia models. Let's take a look and let us know if you like its new boxier styling. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.
What?